Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Unlocked, the place where we decode the world of artificial intelligence and how it's changing everything around us. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a future focused episode. Now today, we're tackling one of the biggest fears people have about AI. Is AI going to replace my job? You've seen the headlines, the viral tweets, maybe even heard your coworkers whispering about it. So let's cut through the noise and give you the facts. We'll look at what types of jobs are most at risk, which ones are safe, for now, and how you can future-proof your career in an AI-driven world. Let's start with the harsh truth. Yes, AI will replace some jobs. Especially the ones that are repetitive, rule-based, and predictable. Examples: data entry clerks, cashiers, telemarketers, basic customer support reps, proofreaders, fast food order takers. Why? Because these jobs involve tasks that AI can now do faster, cheaper, and without taking lunch breaks. Take ChatGPT, for example. It can write basic emails, answer customer queries, summarize documents, all in seconds. And then there are machines like Boston Dynamics robots that are learning to do physical labor. So, yes, automation is real and it's here. But before you panic, here's the good news. Jobs that require human empathy, creativity, complex decision-making, or physical dexterity in unpredictable environments are much harder to automate. Safer jobs include therapists and counselors, teachers, especially younger grades, skilled trades, like electricians, plumbers, mechanics, creative roles, like writers, filmmakers, designers, high-level strategy positions, and even in industries being disrupted, new roles are popping up. For example, while AI might reduce the need for traditional marketers, we now need prompt engineers, AI ethicists, and machine learning trainers. AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's also creating them. Instead of thinking AI versus humans, think AI plus humans. The most successful people will be the ones who know how to work with AI, not fear it. Examples: writers using ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas faster, designers using Midjourney to create visual concepts, lawyers using AI to sort through documents quickly, doctors using AI to analyze X-rays with greater accuracy. So even if you're in a vulnerable industry, learning how to use AI as a tool can give you a major edge. Ask yourself, how can I partner with AI to do my job better or faster? Now let's get practical. Here are steps you can take to future-proof your job. Learn how AI works. You don't have to be a programmer, but understand what AI can and can't do. Use AI tools. Start using ChatGPT, Notion AI, Grammarly, or Midjourney in your workflow. Upskill continuously. Focus on uniquely human skills, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, creativity. Stay curious. Subscribe to AI newsletters, follow thought leaders, and test new tools as they emerge. Think entrepreneurially. Can AI help you start a side hustle? Launch a new service? Be more efficient? The future belongs to those who adapt. To wrap up, will AI replace your job? For some, yes. For others, it will become the best assistant you've ever had. The difference is how prepared you are. So now's the time to stop fearing AI and start learning how to use it. If you got value from this video, give it a like, drop your thoughts or fears in the comments, and subscribe to AI Unlocked for more no BS insights into the future of tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.